Welcome back to Excel Hacks, video number 3 from Ingenuity Services YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill the blank data in an Excel sheet. Again, normally this is the biggest headache most of the people will come across in their routine data. So I'm going to take up a data from our list and I'll show you how I'm going to handle this data better. I have a data here. Again, I'm not taking a very large data for our video purposes. Actually, in real world scenario, if I'm going to use any of these data, that would be really very nice. So I'm going to bring in the data that I have in our list here. I'm going to show you how to use a Power Query Editor here, and this is going to be a little larger than a normal hack video. Normally I do a hack video between 2 to 3 minutes time. This might take a little longer than normal because I need to talk about the version and as well as how I'm using all these dimensions one after the other. So when I do fill this data, so let me show you this data. This is the data that I'm going to fill in here, and I have a 100 line item data here, and I'm going to fill in the data for few columns here until column I. So I'm going to use all these blanks will be filled with the previous cell data here. That's what I'm going to do here. For this, I'm going to use a Power Query Editor. If you are using an Excel file, if its data is small, probably you can do that in Excel itself. If the data is larger, I preferably use a Power Query Editor to do this logic for me. So let me just use this file to use it, and let me go back to my Excel and then go back to the data, go to the data and go to launch Power Query Editor. This will launch our Power Query Editor, and once you come to this point, then go to the Home tab and click at the new source and file and search for your Excel file. So I'm going to search my Excel file. My Excel file is in the workout and it's the raw file. When I pick up the raw file, it shows all the sheets. I'm interested in the sheet 2 here, so I'm going to load this. Again, the hack is going to be very short, and if I want to fill in the data of all these null values into the normal value, so I'm going to select all this data until my H column, and then I'll give a right click here. I'll say fill, and then I'll say down here. Boom. I got all my data in this list, and I'm ready to load this data into my Excel. So I'm going to load this data, and a new sheet is created, and all my data in a table feature right now. Now I can create a pivot table and do a lot more of data in this list. So I got all my blank fields are filled right now, and I can do a lot more in this using a Power Query Editor. Hope you guys learn how to fill the data in a Flash, and I just showed you that using a Power Query Editor. Instead of using an Excel file, if I use this in a Power Query Editor, that's going to save a lot of time. Again, remember this, I'm doing it in Office 365 for enterprises, and I never used in the older version. So let me check and get back to you on this in version 2013, 2016, 2019, and 2021 version 2. So now I'm using in this point. So keep your fingers crossed. Hope you get all this in your version that I specified just now. If you get it, please do comment and give a thumbs up to my videos. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Hack video number 3. Thank you so much.